Hello guys, welcome and welcome back. In this video we'll be making the most delicious native coconut rice. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of the day you're watching this video. So first thing I did was to boil my turkey. I'll be using turkey. Now you can use any protein of your choice, and as a matter of fact this is totally optional. I just want to make this right. Anyways, I had this broth in the freezer, so I'll be using it to boil it, and I added seasoning and a little bit of salt again to it. Now this is optional depending on how sweet your stock was previously, if that makes sense. This type shit heavy wine. That's when it gets to the highest. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Flip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it, cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet little nigga when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, but show me your outside. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Days. Ain't no way for him but some babies. Don't be developing that shit like. Now to introduce our product, this is coconut milk. This is the main thing that makes coconut rice, right? You don't want to use chopped coconut or shaved coconut. Just use only coconut milk. Also, you can make your own coconut milk at home by yourself. Then we'll be needing pepper. You can use fully blended one, but I personally just love to use grated pepper. This is my pepper water. If you want me to make a video on how to get pepper water, let me know in the commenting section and I'll try my best to pull up something for you guys. In this video, in this recipe, we'll be using 3 different fish. This is stock fish, mala. I'll be using round fish, eja egun or mala egun. Then also I'll be using, I believe it's called bonga fish. You guys will see everything in this video. I also use crayfish, and this is the powder. All I just did was to buy crayfish, dried prawn or shrimp, and then blend it together at home. Now this right here is black pepper and usisa seed. You just want to meet all this Igbo that sells egusi and co. It gives it another taste entirely. Now you'll be needing lots of onions. Dice it, grate it, blend it, whatever you want to do, but you need lots of it. You also be needing ugu. Like I said, this is native. I will make another video of the English version of it, just like fried rice if you want. So to get started, in your pot you'll be needing oil. I would like to use oil that I've used to fry my proteins or anything. This way it gives it this flavor. This is what I'm showing you guys. Of course you can use fresh oil if that is what you have or if that is what you prefer. So I like to build my flavor from the start, from scratch. So this is garlic. If you have ginger and garlic, do this. If you have the powder, do this. But I have this one that I use for my pepper mix that I was so tired to continue peeling it, so I just throw it in here. My pepper mix consists of garlic and ginger as well. If you want a pepper mix video, let me know in the commenting section and I'll pull up something for you guys. This is after about 2 minutes. I went in with my fish. I already deboned it and added salt to it to wash it. So I will fry this, allow to be very fry. Then I'll remove it from the fire. So I make sure not to remove the garlic. In that same oil, I'll add in half of my onion. The remaining half, we'll use it when our food is cooked. Then you want to stir fry this. Only been days, but it feel like months. Now, like I said, we're building flavors from the scratch. I'm adding my black pepper and Itisa seeds. They just help me grind it together. Then stir it, allow this to fry for about a minute or two. Then we will then add our washed rice to this and keep stirring to fry the rice as well. Only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. After about 3 to 5 minutes, then I went ahead to add my crayfish powder. You can add your crayfish to your oil if that's what you want to do. It's all and good, right? But I just added mine to my rice. Then remember, there's no water here yet. We're still frying the rice. This way, it will allow it to even last longer for days. Then I added my stockfish to this because the stockfish is still a little bit hard. Of course, you can boil your stockfish first if that is what you want to do. I added my bonga fish. Now, at this point, you can add any protein that you want to add. Your pomo, your fish, and everything. Add it at this stage before you add in your water. Now I added my pepper and I'll use little of that my pepper water that I showed you guys earlier. Then add your water, add your broth, add anything you want to use to cook this at this point. And remember to cook on medium heat. Personally, what I like to do is use half of that coconut milk, and this is because I believe coconut milk will allow the rice to be mushy. So when you use too much, it will become too mushy. So I use half of it. I'll keep the remaining half in the freezer for future use. Then after the coconut milk, you can then add water bit by bit. I prefer to add water bit by bit than to gauge the water and add water, if that makes sense. I wanna know if she's so down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you know what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. So this is it after a few minutes. Remember, we use stock for this, so I did not bother to add in any seasoning. Just taste it as time goes on. You can add if you want. It's better to add, or rather it's easier to add more things, but it's not easy to remove. It's not even possible to remove, if that makes sense. Now I added the onion, then I added my fried fish to this, then adding water again if need to be. At this point, you're just cooking it to be fully cooked, if that makes sense. Please guys, if you're watching to this point, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And I apologize for ghosting you guys. I've been on TikTok since, so make sure to follow me on my TikTok page so that you see my amazing videos. Thank you very much for watching. Once again, God bless you. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely,
forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic every time that we're together. I'm because it's time. Hold you for life.
At this point, I even forgot I was recording. I was just sitting, I was enjoying it. As a matter of fact, I had to stand up in the kitchen to eat this meal. Anyways, guys, let me know when you try this recipe and this method. Comment down below. Tell me thank you. God bless you for watching. Thank you. Stay safe and be fabulous. Bye.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, hold you for life.